There's a domain controller on my network. It happens to be the first domain controller that was installed in the forest, so it holds all the operation master roles for that domain plus for the forest. I'm planning on taking that domain controller down, so I need to transfer the operation master roles to this domain controller that I'm using right now. Let's start with the domain operation master roles. Click Start, and I will open Active Directory Users and Computers. Right-click the domain. If you have not connected to the domain controller to which the operation master roles will be transferred, you must do so. In my case, I've already connected to the domain controller that I want, so I'll cancel this. To transfer operation master roles, right-click the domain and select Operation Masters. I want to transfer the operation master role from computer1.westsim.private, which is the computer I want to take down, to sl-srv3.westsim.private, which is another domain controller in that domain. This is the RID master. I'll change it and confirm. Also the PDC emulator. And the infrastructure master. All the domain-wide operation master roles have now been transferred to this domain controller. We'll click Close, and we'll exit Active Directory Users and Computers. Now for the forest-wide operation master roles. We'll start with the domain naming master. Click Start. And to change this operation master role, we need to open Active Directory Domains and Trusts. This is a forest-wide operation master role, and to get to it, we need to right-click the Active Directory Domains and Trusts node and select Operations Master. Again, we will simply click Change and confirm. Then close. Once again, make sure that you have connected to the domain controller that is receiving this new operation master role. I'll close Active Directory Domains and Trusts, and there's one more forest-wide operation master role that must be transferred. That is the schema master. To transfer the schema master role, first we need to install the schema snap-in. To do so, click Start, click Run. What we're doing here is we're registering the schema management DLL using the reg svr32 command. It's easy to mistype this. It's not SRV, but SVR. Click OK. The schema management DLL has now been registered. Click OK. Now we can open the MMC. Start, Run, type MMC, and press Enter. And we can add the schema management snap-in. Click Add Remove Snap-in. We'll add a snap-in. Here's a list of possible snap-ins that we can add, and the Active Directory Schema snap-in is available. Click Add. We could add more if we wanted, but we don't, so we'll close, and now click OK. The Schema Management snap-in has now been added. Right now, notice that we are focused on the Computer 1 domain controller. We need to change that, so right-click this node and select Change Domain Controller. We want to change to sl-srv3.westsim.private. Click OK. Now we can change the schema master. Right-click the Active Directory Schema node and select Operations Master. We'll be transferring it again to sl-srv3. Click Change and confirm. The Operation Master was successfully transferred. Click OK and now close. So now all domain-wide operation master roles for the westsim.private domain, as well as all the forest-wide operation master roles, have been transferred to the SL-SRv3 computer. We could now take computer1.westsim.private down without losing any functionality.